Now, no widely circulated video, where we Erastus.
Yeah.
About Krubia Efreho Wasa Japa.
Yeah, Wasa Japa, yeah.
And no, enya dance the Magana Nibia, Abaya or Yesuti Abaya, why crowd so per se to Galamsey. I say, videos no buy, and Ra Yakoye, special operation. Yetimi Branching for more, Yetimi so Monsanto.
So, some Branching no more his to say as we speak.
13 arrested ones in the Domoko, Takwa, Kujinam ran anymore. Lawyer Timu for Tinabjom say, Omoko, na Omoko, that Aban Kuku, na Muka Kraka, and far Omujuma Dino. Especially, we are more interested in Bonino and Nippano Dino. The end bit my near Jessica can be a friend of her. They are Sandia CC assassin and now quite brutal. So that is idea here. And the end, say, you go 12 years ago, say, we do for. You bet imagine being so everywhere the BCC.
Like you agree with me, sir. Omoko Galamsey sites, and they are not the real owners of the land. They are not the real owners of those concessions. The real owners are there. Have you made any attempts to say, tackle the root cause? That is the real owners of those concessions, and I'm what me dealing with them here on.
I understand and say, I ran to be anywhere with me raise say $500,000. I work to
excavator, yeah, sure.
But I remember some women say, what cooperation and what you be a why wouldn't say we dear on near the remote problem. What question is on you ready to talk?
Why am I just about
on Casa or Mobi? How do you get to know? This is be a drew be a so for or do no much and comes. I'm going to hear you much so it's become very difficult. Rantier no nipa e koto more are not ready to give.
But we have police intelligence units. They can go further to do further investigations to bring those people.
That we are doing. And until now, we said they excavator. And you see a check with you okay. Amobia ko fire chia. Yeah, it's becoming an exhibit. Yeah, tracing and they continue. Yeah, the chassis numbers of these machines. So it traces to see the real owners near there. Another strategy I use and say you partner with DVL.
Okay.
Say, all existing excavators in the system no, your owners in 2 weeks ultimatum. On your registration, you must register and have a number plate. And to be banner mature branch to be operator excavator no forest no more. I would do money. Now on one crank the plate should be able to direct me to the owner of that excavator.
Oh, okay.
And also we are doing another up there for Kwanso, I find the geofencing technology. And also, free no excavator be able to do temaport to be ano. Yeah, so you back where friend the Minerals Commission. Bring a prompt. No more port honum. No my the tracking device as a machine. So even before it comes out for OB, so better say the road construction, so the mining no. We already have tracking of it, but be a name in the my say you would JB no better excavator. Na table is your concessionaire. We're able to pick concessionary boundaries.
Okay.
And see what shares we need our boundaries. Na yeah, they share a special chip with this one. I know na operative excavator. And the excavator can only work within the legally boundaries and the marketed amount.
I see.
Ultra boundary no excavator no go off.
Oh,
and
really?
Yeah, you can spark it. And before I ever blow spark it, you must give.
Reasonable reason.
Yes. I say what's some no.
Well convincing enough.
And Sunny Timia Biama. And Tosumwa, I should fine as Sefatano. And also,